Are you new to hosting and trying to decide between GoDaddy and Namecheap? Let's break them down separately, and I'll share my final thoughts at the end. First up, GoDaddy. GoDaddy is one of the biggest hosting providers in the world. Their platform is built for convenience. You can get a domain, hosting, and a website builder all in one place. This makes it really easy for beginners to get started. The hosting dashboard is clean and user friendly. They even offer a drag and drop website builder, which is great if you don't have any coding experience. One big advantage with GoDaddy is their 24/7 phone support. If you like having someone to call when things go wrong, that's a huge plus. But here's the downside: GoDaddy is filled with upsells, things like backups, security, and even SSL certificates usually cost extra unless you're on a premium plan. So while it's beginner friendly, be ready for some hidden costs. Now let's talk about Namecheap. Namecheap started as a domain provider, but their hosting has become really solid, especially for beginners. Their shared hosting plans come with cPanel, a classic and simple control panel that many people are familiar with. It's not as flashy as GoDaddy's builder, but it gets the job done and gives you more control. Namecheap includes a lot of free features, like free SSL certificates, free site migration, and free WHOIS privacy on domains. That's a big win if you're watching your budget. Support is handled through live chat and tickets, and while there's no phone support, their agents are quick and helpful. You might need to learn a bit more compared to GoDaddy, but it's a clean, honest platform that won't hit you with surprise fees. So, which is better for beginners? If you want everything done for you: domain, hosting, site builder, and support on call, GoDaddy is easier to start with, but it can get expensive. If you want better value, don't mind a little learning curve, and prefer transparent pricing, Namecheap is the smarter choice. My pick? Namecheap, especially if you're launching your first blog or portfolio on a budget. Let me know in the comments which one you'd choose. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner friendly breakdowns.